How to file taxes as a minor. So first you'll need to check if you need to file, because a minor may need to file if they have enough earned income or unearned income or self-employment income. Next, you would need to know the 2025 dependent limits. So a single dependent under 65 generally must file if their earned income is over $15,750 or unearned income is over $1,350 or gross income passes the IRS dependent limit. And for more info about that, in the search bar in the IRS website, you will need to type publication 501 2025 like this. And when you search, it should bring you the first result here, which you can click on and read the PDF file if you need more info. Next, file if self-employed. So if you made $400 or more from freelance work, gigs, or business income, usually you need to file and pay self-employment tax as well. And the next step is to gather tax documents. So you would need to collect your W-2s, 1099s, bank interest forms, investment forms, and any records of side income. And next, you would need to ask your parents about dependent status. So if a parent claims you as a dependent, mark that on your tax return. And then you would need to use Form 1040. So you can get forms by typing the form name here and click on the first link. It should give you the Form 1040, which most minors file the same basic federal tax return as adults, Form 1040. And you should also have parent help if needed, in case if you don't understand some stuff right here. Or if the child cannot file or sign the return, a parent or guardian can sign the child's name followed by parent signature, parent for minor child. You should include that. Next, you file to get a refund. So even if you are not required to file, you may want to file if federal or state taxes were withheld from your paycheck. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.